Happy birthday, Mommy Beng. I wish for you good health always, more birthday to celebrate, and enjoy your very special day. We miss you here in Dubai. We love you and may God bless you always in your family.
Happy birthday po, Mama Beng. More days to come. God bless you po.
Happy birthday po Mama Beng. Si Maxine po ito. Hope to see you po again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Beng.
Happy birthday, Mami Beng.
Good health po. And ingat po palagi. Ingat po. Ito na po yung dalawang makulit.
Mula po sa aming sambahayan, kami po ay taos pusong bumabati sa inyo, Nanay Rebecca, ng happy 75th birthday po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo at lagi po kayong pagpalaan.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po!
Hi po Kabeng, Cecil po ito. Happy birthday po and wish you good health po and more blessings to come pa po. Miss you po.
Hi tita! Happy birthday po! Sana po ay maging masaya po kayo sa inyong kaarawan. Sana ibigyan pa po kayo ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng Ama para makasama niyo pa po na matagal ang inyong pamilya. Miss ko na po yung ating chikahan sa kitchen. Yun lamang po, ingat po lagi dyan. Happy birthday!
Happy 75th birthday po. Para na lang parang 50th. More birthdays, God bless. At saka sana makita ka namin ulit dito, balik ka. At saka pagpatuloy ang kagandahan.
Hello po, Kabigi. Kamusta po? Binabati ko po kayo ng happy 75th birthday. Dalangin ko po ang maraming taon pa sa inyong buhay at pinakamaiging kalusugan, kapiling po ng inyong buong sambahayan. Enjoy your day po and happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday po, Beng. Sana po ay maging masaya kayo sa inyong kaarawan. 75th birthday na po pala. Po?
Parang hindi pa, no?
At sana po ay lagi po kayong nasa malusog ng pangatawan at laging ingatan po kayo at patubayan ng ating Panginoon Diyos. Sige po, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po! Ingat po kayo palagi!
Hi tita, happy birthday po. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi. Love you po.
Happy birthday, tita! We wish you nothing but the best, good health, long life, and many more blessings to come. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi at hope to see you soon. Happy birthday po ulit!
Happy 75th birthday, Mommy Beng. I hope you have a good one. God bless. We love you.
Hi Mami! Please remember me, Lisel, your inaanak. Happy birthday po. Happy 75th birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Love you! Mami Ninang.
Happy birthday po, Ninang. Kamusta po kayo? Panalangin po namin ang mahaba niyo pa pong buhay at ganun din po lakas, ganun din po malayo sa sakit at higit sa lahat nasa paglilingkod. Bihira man po tayo makita pero alam po ninyo na mahal po namin kayo at sana po ay mag-iingat po kayo palagi. See you po again soon, Ninang. Happy birthday po!
Happy 75th birthday, Ninang Becky! Sana po ay masaya kayo sa pag-celebrate ng birthday ninyo at sana po ay manatili pang malakas ang inyo pong pangangatawan at ang wish ko ay naway bigyan pa po kayo ng ating Panginoon Diyos ng mahabang buhay at lakas. Nagpapasalamat ako, Ninang, kasi I have known you for most of my life. Simula po ng 7 years old ako hanggang ngayon, kayo pa rin po yung kasama namin paggabay ninyo sa amin and nagpapasalamat ako dahil nananatili ang inyo pong kasiglahan sa pagsamba, hopefully sa pagtupad at nawa ay manatili po yang kasiglahan po ninyo, and nakikita naman po sa mga anak po ninyo. Sana po ay ma-celebrate ninyo ng masaya ang inyo pong kaarawan, and looking forward to spending ng marami pang taon po with you. Happy birthday! Enjoy po na! Bye-bye! Love you!
Vicky, very, very, very happy birthday! Alam mo naman ako, alam pa mga September, maganda. Happy birthday again! Na-miss you! Happy birthday, Vicky! Wish you many, many, many more birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Vicky! Imagine 75th birthday. I'm so happy for you. I wish you more birthdays ahead. More blessings, more good health, more money, syempre. I miss you. Take care of yourself. And how I wish someday magkita-kita tayo ulit. Taglay pa rin ang buhay at ang lakas. At ang tungkulin at ang karapatan sa loob ng iglesia. Manatili pareho tayo. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Bye. Happy birthday. Take care.
Hello, Vicky. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Sana pagkalooban ka pa ng Ama ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pangangatawan para patuloy tayong nakapaglilingkod sa Kanya. I miss you. Sana magkita ulit tayo at magka-banding ng ating mga kasamahan. Dati dito sa Pasita, hindi ko alam kung nasaan ka ngayon. Sana bumalik ka dito sa Pasita. Pag bumalik ka dito sa Pasita, chat mo naman ako para magkita-kita tayo ulit. I wish you all the best. Regards, ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye, happy birthday ulit.
Good evening po, Tita Beng. Happy birthday po. Wishing you po continued good health. Enjoy your day po. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Beng. Here's wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings po sa birthday nyo. Enjoy po your day. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Tita Beng. Happy birthday. Happy 75th birthday. Enjoy lang po. Wala na pala kayo sa bingo. hindi na, panloto na pala sa susunod na taon. Sige po. Bye-bye, Tita Beng. Enjoy po.
Hi! Hello! It's your special day. Happy birthday, Beng. Ate Beng. Feeling ko kasi magkamabata tayo. And cheers to another milestone of your life. I'm wishing you good health, happiness in life, and more God's blessings. Maraming salamat na kahit minsan lang tayo magkasama pero masaya ako. Looking forward for a family reunion, Bitangkor. I love you. Mwah.
To my ever dearest amiga, happy 75th birthday to you. Biglaan lang kasi ito eh. Yung video para lang sa iyo. Enjoy and may everything in life full of joy. Imagine from our elementary days hanggang senior years, sama-sama pa rin tayo, and hoping with all your kids and apo soon. Happy birthday. See you soon too.
Hello, Tita Vicky. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health, happiness, and God bless always. Happy birthday, Mama Chup Chup.
Happy birthday, Lola Ben. Happy birthday, Lola Ben. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola Ben.
Happy birthday, Lola Ben!
Happy birthday, Lola Ben. Love you.
Kiss ma.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Mami Beng. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello po, Sister Becky. We wish you a happy birthday and may God bless you all the time.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Kabek! Bye!
Hi, Ate Beng. I'm here in the office. Happy birthday! Happy 75th birthday. Wishing you the best in everything. Enjoy life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mary Vicky! Happy birthday, Mary Vicky! Happy birthday, Mary Vicky! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maring Vicky. Yes, 75 ka na pala. Happy 75 years. Wow, hindi halata, Mare. You look more younger than your age. Enjoy life to the fullest. I wish you many, many more birthdays to come. Good health always. Happiness and more blessings to you and to your family. I love you, Mare. See you soon.
Happy birthday po, Mama Beng.
Mama Beng, balae, sana birthday mo na to, ikaw pinakamasaya. Masayang masaya ka, lalo-lalo na sabihin mo sa mga anak mo, natupad mo. Yun nga lang, sa sarili mo. Kulang pa. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po ulit, Balay.
Hello, beautiful girl. Happy birthday. Sana mabusog mo ako. Sikapin mo na maging malusog ka pa para abutin mo yung 100 years. Matanggap mo yung 100,000. Happy birthday again.
Good morning, Cha. Happy birthday. Hindi ka naman mukhang 75 years old. Ang bata-bata mong tingnan. Ingat palagi at maganda ka pa rin. God bless. Enjoy your day. Bye. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Vicky.
Birthday, Tita. Enjoy po. Ingat po
Ingat
kayo.
kayo dyan.
Hi Bing, happy birthday sa pinakagwapa na kong nga igsoon sa tibuok kalibutan. Inaoton ta nga tagang pag ataas nga kinabuhi. Maura.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
She is 57 years old.
Okay.
Hello. Sabi
Have a good birthday.
Have a good birthday. Okay. Anong handa? Anong handa? Spaghetti.
Hi, Bing. Hi. Happy birthday. Wish you good health, more blessing, and God bless you always. Happy birthday. Tawa lang ng tawa para masaya. Okay. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Becky.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Come
come back and visit us sometime. Look how big these kids are.
This is Ethan. He's 14. Erickson. 12. And Emery.
Don't be shy.
No. She's 9 now.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a really good birthday, Nanay.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami Beng. Enjoy your day po. We love you po.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bang. I hope you will be 1 million years old. Bye. Happy birthday, Mommy Bang. I love you. Thank you for taking care of me when I was little. And thank you for supporting me when I was singing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy Bang.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bang. Happy birthday, Mommy Bang.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bang.
Happy birthday po, Mommy Bang. You are very old now, and you have reached the age 75. It has been a lot of years since you have been born, and you are very, very old now, so I hope you will not have any sort of memory loss and forget us. And I hope you can still be alive and with me once I'm an adult now, and so that you can be able to see me grow very, very tall, taller than you. And that is gonna take a while, but that's the reason why I want you to see me as an adult. It's so that you can live for a long time. Remember when I was in a house, I think in the States, there was a fluffy white dog. I forgot his name. I was so scared since I thought he was gonna bite me because I'm very skinny. But I found out that he wouldn't bite me, so I started loving dogs, and I have Mr. Jackson now. In Boracay, you took this picture of yourself on my iPad. Anyways, thank you for making Mama exist. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. Love you po, Mommy Bang. Mr. Chicken says happy birthday also.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy 75th birthday! Ha? Busy ako. Nandito ako sa office. I wish you all the best. I wish you the greatest health. Sana umabot pa ng 100 para meron tayong 100,000 sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bang.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bang.
Happy birthday, Mama Bang. You're 75 years old na. That's like 7.5 decades old. Anyway, you're still 2 digits old. Dapat maging 3. You're strong and healthy and skinny and pretty. Saya ako nagmana. Diba? Ang ganda ng dimples ko. Galing yun sa'yo. Thank you for everything you've done for me since I was a baby. You watched me grow up and I'm forever grateful for you. Miss na kita. Love na love kita. Yeah. Ito extra ko. Happy birthday, twin. Stay skinny and pretty.
Happy 75th birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy 75th birthday, Mommy. Nawa, napasaya ka na mga video messages na nakita mo. At sana sa araw na ito, naging masaya ka kahit hindi mo kami kasama lahat. At darating rin ang time na magkakasama tayong muli. And nawa pagpalain ka lalo ng Ama sa pananampalataya mo kasi alam namin na dahil dyan, kaya kami nandito sa mga karapatan namin dahil iminulat mo sa amin ang pagtitiwala sa Diyos. Panalangin namin sa Ama na pagkalooban ka pa ng mahabang buhay at lakas. Kasi alam mo naman na hindi ko pa natutupad yung pangako ko sa'yo nung bata pa ako, nung 7 years old ako, na pagpapatayuan ka ng bahay na may swimming pool sa rooftop at bibilhan ng katulong. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yun until now. So sana ipagkaloob pa ng Ama ang mahabang panahon para matupad namin ang mga pangarap namin sa'yo, kaming magkakapatid at syempre mga apo. Gusto ko lang sana din na banggitin na para sa isang very vocal na tao, hindi ako vocal sa pagpapasalamat sa mga nagawa mo para sa amin, sa aming pamilya. Saka, alam mo naman na very thankful ako dahil sa pagtuturo mo sa aming magkakapatid. Naalala ko nung bata-bata pa ako, naisip ko napaka number 1 kontrabida mo sa buhay. Yun pala, nung tumanda na ako, naintindihan ko na ang lahat na ikaw pala yung number 1 kakampi ko. Na kahit ano pa mga pagkakadapa ko, hindi mo ako hinusgahan, tinulungan mo ko na matuto sa mga pagkakamali para maging matatag, para rin sa future, yung mga anak ko, papalakihin ko rin sila ng maayos. Thank you so much, Mommy. We love you so much. And we hope and pray na ano man yung desire ng heart mo, ipagkaloob ng Ama, at nawa makasama ka pa namin ng mahaba pang panahon. We love you.
Emma, happy 57th birthday to you. 57 kasi for me, you're not 75. You're young at heart. I thank God for giving us a mother like you, for constantly praying for us, for always reminding us of God's words, and also for pulling us back to the right path when we have lost our way. My birthday prayer, yes, birthday prayer, not just a wish. My birthday prayer for you is, I pray to God to give you more years in your life, and that those years, we, your children, can give you full of happiness, with faith, hope, and love. And I know sometimes we don't see eye to eye. Di tayo nakakasundo sa mga bagay-bagay. And sometimes I'm grumpy, mainitin ulo ko, paglutin. But I cherish everything you're doing for me, especially with your patience, but not to the point of tolerating me when I'm wrong. We appreciate all the sacrifices you made for us. I love you, Ma. We all love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Beng. Wish po namin masaya ka today. Sa birthday niyo po. Happy birthday po ulit.